Hello guys, welcome to Tech Genie. Today we'll be learning a new topic, shell scripting. So let's get started. What is shell scripting? Shell is a command interpreter. Its job is to accept commands as typed by the user on the command line and interpret each of those commands. For example, let's type ls space hyphen l, enter. This produces some output. How does Linux know to interpret the hyphen l as a switch? What about the output? How does command output come to the screen? By chance? No. The shell does these things. Shell script is a whole bunch of shell commands entered together in a file. There are two types of shell. The one is a login shell. The other one is non-login shell. The login shell is used to log into your system. It is the shell you get when you are prompted with your username and where you have to enter your password. The second type of shell is non-login shell. This is the shell we are going to be programming in, which in my case is bash. Hence it is called bash shell scripting. There are many non-login shells such as Korn shell, C shell, but we'll use bash primarily because that's the shell that you're probably going to have as non-login shell on most Linux systems. How do you find what shell you are using? Just type echo dollar symbol and 0. Press enter. This shows which shell you are using. And the other type is type echo dollar symbol capital shell, enter, and this shows the same path which shell you are using. So let's get into the code section. Type vi file dot sh. We give here extension as sh, enter. Let's start writing our code. Shift hash, press I, shift hash, not forward slash bin forward slash bash, enter. Let's give a variable name equals. Let's give a string, enter. Type echo dollar name. The hash not symbol is nothing but shebang, which tells Linux that the executable being run is not a program but a script and to use the path given as executable. This is the path given forward slash bin and forward slash bash is the bash location. The name is the variable name where we given a string as TechGenie. The echo is used to print the line which is stored in this dollar name. So let's type colon WQ to exit, then press enter. When you do this, let's try to run this code. It shows permission denied. It is because the file doesn't have the executable permission. So we have to change the permission for the file. How to change the permission for the file? Type chmod space plus x and the file name file.sh. Enter. Now let's check. Now we got the execute permission. Now let's try executing this code dot slash file.sh. Enter. Now we get the output. Welcome to TechGenie. You have to make every script executable with the chmod command. If you don't change its mode, it won't run. Thanks for watching.